Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our September new products video. Our first new product are these beautiful badges. This is from Carpenter Industries. It's the Bronco Sport. Fits a 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. We have these. This is a nice satin black finish. They also come in the original chrome. Really nice product. Come with the retaining clips. We also have the matching black side markers that go with it. Brand new from Dennis Carpenter Industries. And our next new product's made by Solo Motorsport. This fits the 1980 to 1996 Ford Bronco rear tire rack. It's a swing tire stop. Precision, laser cut, CNC bent, billet aluminum mounting brackets. Comes with all the mounting hardware, grade 8 hardware. What's nice about this is it's a 5-minute installation. You take a couple bolts off the tire rack on the top, bolt it in place, and you're ready to go. What this does, instead of being like in your garage or in a parking lot, you open the tire rack and it swings out and hits something. This gives you a 3-position stop. Brand new from Solo Motorsports, sold here at the Bronco Graveyard for the 1980 to 1996 Ford Bronco. And our next new product are these Action Trax traction aids. Made here in the United States, heavy duty, plastic construction, basically indestructible. Come in 2 versions. Standard here, which is heavy duty plastic with the large hand holes, where you can wear gloves to put them in place. Or the deluxe model, which gives you extra traction. We have these bolts to dig into the mud, sand, or snow. Basically, the concept behind them is you're stuck, you dig out in front of the tires or the rear of the tires, stick them in place and just give it a little gas and it'll feather yourself right on out. They're good for sand, snow, and mud. Made here in the United States. They're very light, easy to handle, take up a little space when you go four-wheeling. And for our September web truck of the month, we have Joe Herbchek's Early Bronco. What's unique about this, he drives this every single day of the year. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support. I hope to see you again next month.
This is a 1969 Bronco. I bought it in probably 1995. Paid $500 for it. I drove it home. It looked a lot worse than it does now. I've had it painted up real nice. But since then it's been sitting. I've been driving lots of other Broncos I have, and finally decided to put this one back on the road and enjoy it a little bit more and fix it up again nice one day again. But for now I just want to drive it. It's original 302, the original Sport, and 3-speed on a column, of course. Came with the bucket seats and no body chrome on the outside, no grill chrome. I was really surprised on that. Front end was smashed when I got it, and had to put a new inner fender on it and things like that. But I had a canvas top on it for a lot of years, but since then it deteriorated, and so I threw this hard top on there for now so I can get it back down the road again. So, and I fuel injected it and gets really good gas mileage. It's got 350 gears in it. It's got a spool in the back. It's got a Dana 44 in the front. Of course, the original was a 30, but I took that out because the kingpins were bad, and I had this one off another Bronco, and it's a limited slip, so she's a real 4-wheel drive for sure. So, for some reason, this must be part Billy Goat because it climbs up some pretty good straight up hills. Really impressed with what it is. I use it all the time. It's kind of like my farm truck too, so pull my tractors around, my hay and stuff like that.